Hey there, you are watching me from my dash cam in 4K right now. What am I talking about? Well, inside that windshield is my 70mm Omni 4K dash cam. Now, I know you guys love my flip videos. I know you love my auction videos. Well, honestly, this channel started with some how-to videos as well. I have had that 70mm Omni camera in my truck for years. It's protected me. I've gotten tons of footage whenever I've needed it. I've actually used some of the footage for some of these videos that you're watching right now. In today's video, we're doing an unboxing. I am going to upgrade my 70mm Omni X200 to the 4K 70mm Omni that has cell data, and I'm going to show you how to install this camera, all the qualities of the 70mm, and why I chose this over other dash cams. My name is Craig from Flying Wheels. A little different than most of my videos. You're going to learn a lot, and hopefully this video is helpful for anyone thinking about getting themselves a dash cam. My name is Craig from Flying Wheels. Let's do an install. So I'm actually shooting this segment at the very end of the video. In a minute, I am going to flash back and do an install and a how-to video on how to install this dash cam, as well as some of the features that comes with the 70mm Omni dash cam that shoots in 4K. This is my truck right here. This is my tow rig. Behind it, my trailer. So you'll see, I take up a lot of road right here, and this trailer especially takes up even more space, especially when taking wide turns or on the highway. Inside, I even have my next project car, my Ford Mustang GT, that needs a good amount of love. Now, having to tow this with that comes with some liability. You have to be careful for everyone else on the road. Now, I have had this camera right here, my 70mm Omni, for about 2.5 years. No word of a lie, I have been using that since actually probably more than that. I bet it was around 2020, 2021 that I got that camera. Love it, 360-degree camera. Well, today I'm upgrading. Same brand, newer version, which is this right here. This is the 70mm dash cam 4K Omni HDR. Now you'll see the one that I was using is hardwired into my car. This one's slightly larger. It is a rotating 360-degree camera, just like that one, but this shoots in 4K and also has a rear-facing camera as well, which I wanted for my vehicle. I want to see what's behind me in case I'm ever rear-ended or there's something happening behind the vehicle. Came with obviously the camera, the rear-facing camera. It came with an additional lens. It also came with a 128 gig SD card, instructions, and a hardwire kit, which my vehicle's already hardwired, which made it even easier for the install for me. I also purchased a SIM card so I can use this remotely. I can link up into my 70mm from my phone app and see what's going on from anywhere in the world. The installation for me is pretty simple. I am going to take the micro SD card out of the package. I'm going to install it into the side of the camera right here. Push it in, close the door. Now, I told you it came with an optional lens, so we can actually increase the view with this lens right here. I'm just going to remove my old 70mm, which has been here for a long time. Ugh. Oh, that came off way easier than it should have. You can actually see it's still active. Now I'm going to peel this off and then just insert it exactly where the old one was. Now there is a protective coating on my windshield right here from the previous camera. I can actually flex the camera to get a better angle, so you'll see how it rotates up and down right there. And I'm gonna make it straight on facing the road. So let's plug it in up here. There we go. That's our hardwired power into our camera already. And there we go. She's already turning around, checking out the view of 360 degrees. So now I'm going to connect it to my Bluetooth on my app. We're going to click on my 70mm app right there. Now it's probably still connected to my old camera. Let me log in. Connect. It is searching. We are confirmed, connecting to the dash cam hotspot while using the app. Connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot, connect to device. Please turn on the Wi-Fi. It just formatted the SD card, and as you can see, it is already recording. Let's check the app out. Connect, and let's go back to the app and see what it looks like. So we're gonna do a beginner tutorial. Thanks for choosing the 70mm dash cam. So the camera's on, it is recording. Let's see what it looks like in 4K from outside of the truck. So if I walk over here, there I am right here. Hello, 4K camera. Hello, everybody. You can see everything in 4K versus like my wife's camera's 1080p. If I go into the truck, we should be able to rotate the camera. We can actually snap a photo, and we can rotate the camera too. So you'll see right now the camera's actually rotating, which it does periodically as we're driving. Just check on the driver. There's me. Hello. I'm in 4K right now. Hello, camera. Let's go back and check on the road. We are going to take this camera and insert it right there, right on my window, and I have already cleaned that window right there, so that's all set. And now we're gonna run our wire up the ceiling over to the camera. And as you can see, the rear camera comes with a quick connect, so we're gonna take the female connection and plug it into the male connection here, and then I'm just going to run the wire up through here, and then right here along the ceiling all the way over to the camera. I'm gonna tuck this inside there, and then I can run it down through the side here. We got it through right here. Make sure not to poke in directly into the wire, or you could puncture the wire and cause damage. We're over to here. I'm gonna pull this down, tuck it in here, up across the ceiling, and then right to the camera. So I now have it run from both sides down here to right here. Here's all my excess wiring. I'm just gonna tuck this in right behind this panel. And just like that, voila, we are tucked in, no more wires exposed. Now the rear camera is stationary, so you can adjust it yourself. Here I am on the rear camera. Now I don't love that I mounted it on the passenger corner, but even though it's mounted on the passenger corner, if I go over here to the passenger side, you still have full view of what's going on over here. Look I'm all the way on the side of the truck, and you can still see what's going on even from the far corner of the truck. And we're off. So we'll put it in drive. We can see what's going on as we drive. Now actually, I want to check out that back corner. So let's see what's going on in the back too. How close am I to that wall? Here we go. Watch out for the boats. Watch out for the wall. Oh no, I'm about to hit the boat. It sees everything as I see it. A 70mi Omni 4K dash cam is also 4G. So just like your Tesla, you can go on your app and see what's going on around your vehicle even when you're not on location. There is a hardwire kit for your 4G setup as well. Now here's my 4G setup. I am going to put this right on the dash, and I'm going to run that right to my hard wiring kit. And then with the SIM card that I purchased separately for this camera, I can connect it to my app and use this off location. I don't have to be near the vehicle, thanks to their 4G cellular capabilities. So I know you love to see my car dealer videos, my car flip videos. There are products that I use that I've partnered with years ago that I'm still using. I have a bunch of tools inside my truck that I use every single day, and the 4K Omni is also one of those, something I highly recommend for you, your wife, your husband, or your children for a gift for your grandparents. As I mentioned before, I've used the 70 Omni for years in my truck, and I just upgraded to the 4K Omni. And as you can see, the 4K Omni has really stepped up its game this time, jumping from 1080p, which my previous dash cam was, to now 4K with 60 frames per second. This means it can capture crystal clear details even when you're driving at high speeds. In low light or nighttime environments, the 4K Omni performs equally well, and this is thanks to the 70mi's proprietary Night Owl Vision technology, which significantly enhances brightness and clarity. As you can see in this video, even in tunnels or at night, license plates and distant road signs remain clearly visible. Additionally, the 4K Omni has a major upgrade of parking monitoring, and it features the new Omni Vision technology, which drastically improves video quality in low light conditions. Take a look at this comparison. This is normal mode, and this is Omni Vision. You can see that Omni Vision not only brightens the scene, but it also enhances the details. With HDR technology, the Omni adjusts exposure to maintain high quality footage in extreme lighting conditions, like entering and exiting tunnels. There's even more. The built-in GPS tracks your journey, providing crucial data like speed and location. Vital for accident verification and roadside assistance. If you have kids, it tracks your kids' speed, it tracks where they are, and it videos everything they're doing, God forbid they're ever in an accident. Take selfie. Another cool upgrade is the 4K Omni's AI Motion Detection 2.0. The previous Omni had motion detection. This one is even better. And when your car is parked, it can spot suspicious movements like someone hanging around your vehicle and send you an alert straight to your phone. You can even then pull it up on the feed and see exactly what's going on, keeping you connected to your car securely. The 4K Omni's emergency recording feature has also been upgraded. Now it can record 10 seconds before and 20 seconds after any detected event, ensuring every detail is captured, whether it's a sudden movement or a potential collision, and you'll have the full context of what happened. Some people are concerned about lithium batteries in their dash cam inside their car. Well, the 4K's addressed that issue, and it now features a supercapacitor. This upgrade eliminates the risks associated with lithium batteries like overheating or swelling, especially in extreme conditions. So you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that your dash cam is both reliable and safe. My father was actually just talking about how he wants a dash cam. So I'm going to send him my 70mm Omni that I took out, and I am going to use the new 4K. So I think he's going to be surprised with what he gets. And then now I have the newer upgraded 4K with the cell data, which is amazing. If you want to try it for yourself, there is a link in my description to get one. Now, my wife has a dash cam in her car, which I've done a video for before, but you see firsthand, this is something I was already using. I just upgraded it to the new 4K with cell data, which is amazing. I can use it on the app. I can check it out. There is a link in my description if you want to try one out for yourself or for a gift for someone else. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all later. And thanks 70My Omni for helping me out with this video and keeping me protected from all those unwanted insurance scams and potential collisions. Thanks for protecting me, and thanks for watching. I'll see you all later. Adios.